place a hot coal in an orange. I never imagined this could happen. Look, guys, you have an orange at home. Well, then, you will do the following: remove the cap from the orange, and now we're going to take this pulp out of the orange. Using a knife, I will remove the pulp, but if you are making orange juice, do not throw away the orange mark. We're going to need this, as I'm using orange right now to show you the trick. I'm going to remove all the baggage here. And the fact is that the orange peel and the lid also stay clean like that. Let me show you. That's great. Okay, you've removed the orange marker. What are we going to do? We're going to put a teaspoon of coffee inside the orange. Now guys, go get a piece of coal and be on fire. I don't know if you can see that this coal is smoking. I left it on the stove for a few minutes, and it went up in flames. We're going to put it inside the orange. Our next ingredient is rosemary. Let's add about half a teaspoon of rosemary. Now we're going to add laurel. Look at the smoke already coming out of here, it's delicious. Just shred the bay leaf and put it inside the orange. And finally, I'm going to add some cinnamon flakes. Now, guys, we are going to do the following. Check this out, the smell is wonderful here now on the orange cap. We're going to do the following. Take a barbecue stick or a knife, and we're going to cut holes all over the tomoe. And what's the point here? You must be curious. This is used to expel mosquitoes to chase away flies, bees, and wasps, and the smell is wonderful. You who have bronchitis, rhinitis, or the flu can make this orange tip in your house because, look, the little fumes come out of the little holes and perfume all your air, not a mosquito. A fly. And your nose comes out on this tip, guys, it's very good. And how is the coal lit? It stays here for a long, long time. So, guys, make sure you do this trick at home. I'm sure you'll like it too. It will chase away all mosquitoes, flies, and mosquitoes inside your house. Apart from the smell of rosemary, the smell of bay leaf is very tasty. And with cinnamon, it smells super cozy, so guys. Today's tip was as follows. I hope you enjoyed a big kiss. See you tomorrow.